Installing a new door in your home or business is a great way to improve both aesthetics and functionality. Whether you're upgrading your entryway, replacing a broken door, or installing one for the first time, it's essential to ensure the process goes smoothly. In Brandon, door installation can seem like a straightforward task, but many homeowners and business owners fall victim to common mistakes that can lead to expensive repairs, security risks, or poor performance. Here are some common mistakes to avoid when installing a door in Brandon. Neglecting proper measurement. One of the most frequent mistakes people make when installing a door is not measuring correctly. Doors come in various sizes, and the frame must be an exact fit. If your measurements are off, you might end up with a door that doesn't fit properly, leaving gaps around the edges or causing the door to stick. To avoid this, measure the height, width, and depth of the door frame multiple times before purchasing a new door. If the existing frame is warped or damaged, it's even more important to take precise measurements. If in doubt, hiring a professional installer can save you the trouble of miscalculations. Overlooking the type of door. Not all doors are created equal, and selecting the wrong type for your needs can lead to functionality issues. In Brandon, where temperatures can fluctuate, it's essential to pick the right material and style that will perform well in the local climate. For example, wooden doors, while attractive, may not hold up well in areas with high humidity. Make sure you choose a door that's suited for the environment and intended use. Consider energy-efficient doors if you're concerned about insulating your home or business, or a door with security features if you need added protection. It's important to consult with an expert who can guide you toward the best option for your needs. Improper door frame alignment. Even a slight misalignment in the door frame can result in a door that doesn't swing properly or fails to close completely. This can lead to drafts, difficulty locking the door, or a door that squeaks or sticks over time. Ensuring the frame is square and plumb is crucial to a smooth installation. Before securing the door, double-check that the frame is level and properly aligned. This step may seem small, but it's essential for the door to function smoothly. A poorly aligned frame can also damage the door over time, leading to costly repairs or the need for a complete replacement. Forgetting to check the door swing direction. It's easy to overlook the door's swing direction during installation, but this mistake can lead to major inconveniences. Whether you're installing an exterior or interior door, you need to determine the door's opening direction before installation. Installing a door that swings the wrong way can block a hallway, a piece of furniture, or simply be inconvenient for everyday use. To avoid this issue, visualize how the door will open and ensure it swings in the direction you desire. Pay attention to the location of hinges and locks, as they should be positioned accordingly to facilitate easy operation. Skipping proper sealing and insulation. A door installation job isn't complete without ensuring proper sealing and insulation. Gaps around the door can allow cold air in during the winter and warm air in during the summer, increasing your energy costs and reducing comfort. Additionally, a poorly sealed door can invite pests or rainwater into your home or business, causing damage over time. Be sure to use weather stripping, caulking, and door sweeps to create a tight seal around your door. Insulated doors or doors with high-quality seals can improve energy efficiency, so don't skip this step. Ignoring local building code. Each municipality, including Brandon, may have its own set of local building codes and regulations regarding door installation, especially when it comes to exterior doors or doors that lead to potentially hazardous areas like a garage. Failing to comply with these codes could result in fines, difficulty selling your home, or even having to redo the installation. Before starting your door installation, check with your local authorities or consult with a professional installer to ensure your door meets the necessary regulations. This includes everything from the material used to the proper placement of the door for fire safety. Not hiring a professional installer. While some DIY enthusiasts might feel confident taking on door installation, it's often best to hire a professional. Experienced door installers in Brandon understand the local building codes, have the proper tools, and know how to avoid common pitfalls. They'll ensure the door is installed securely and functions as it should for years to come. Attempting a DIY installation without the proper experience can result in mistakes that are costly to fix. A professional installer can also advise on the best materials, hardware, and energy-saving options for your door. Conclusion: a successful door installation relies on attention to detail and proper planning. By avoiding common mistakes like poor measurements, improper alignment, and neglecting insulation, you can ensure your door enhances the safety, comfort, and style of your home or business in Brandon. Whether you're upgrading an existing door or installing a new one, taking the time to do it right or hiring a professional can make all the difference.